Well, Kelly, instead of produce, think of this as a shop local movement for your own money. Nationwide, credit unions have seen a spike in the number of new customers as old big bank customers get disgusted with paying through the nose to use their own cash. You can look at the skyline of any city, and some of the tallest and most impressive buildings are banks, from good-sized regional banks to the big national banks. This building says that they've got money to build stuff like homes and businesses, money for that shiny new sports car, and money to, say, name stadiums and such. But Mark Petty likes his bank not because they've got money, but because, well, they're nice.
Customer service, people are really nice. They'll do anything for you to, fax your paperwork if you need it done. The service is good. Friendly people, they know you.
And customer service can go a long way to make customers stay with any business. The big banks may have heard that today after Bank of America backed off its new debit card fees, along with Wells Fargo and Citi, who ended their fee increases as well. SunTrust Bank out of Atlanta is even refunding some of its fees to its customers. But the disgust with big banks and big fees is making a lot of folks look local. The area's credit unions are picking up customers.
Last year alone, our credit unions in the Maryland and District of Columbia, there's 160 of them, saved Maryland and D.C. families more than $200 million. And that was because of low fees, no fees, and really competitive rates on the loan products.
Think of it as a shop local movement for financial services instead of produce. Simmons says that Maryland and D.C. area credit unions offer most of the same services as the large banks and some of the things that they don't. Online banking, free checking, mobile banking, business, auto, and home loans are all available at most, but not every credit union. But the one thing they all offer is lower to no fees to spend your own money.
Now, most of our credit unions have a free checking account option. I don't know of any of our credit unions that are charging for the debit card, for instance. If you do make an error in your calculations and you have an overdraft, that fee is probably going to be at least $10 cheaper than what you're going to find at the larger banks.
Now, if a credit union isn't your cup of tea, there are plenty of local community banks out there as well. They offer a few more services than some of the credit unions, but before changing anything around when it comes to your finances, it's best to shop around for the best deal. Roosevelt Leftwich, ABC 2 News.